Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Knowledge check, page number 16. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. First blank, organisms that prepare their own food using simple substances from their surroundings are called dash. Answer is autotrophs. Number 2. The opening and the closing of stomata are controlled by guard cells. Number 3. Chlorophyll is present in the structures called dash. Answer is chloroplast. Number 4. During photosynthesis, plants take in dash and give out dash. Take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Number 5. Glucose is stored in parts of the plant in the form of dash. Answer is starch. Page number 19. Match the following. First, mosquito. Answer is partially parasitic. Number 2. Lichen. Answer is symbiotic. Number 3. Pitcher plant. Answer is insectivorous. Number 4. Coral root. Answer is saprophytic. Number 5. Coscuta. Answer is completely parasitic. Exercise page number 21. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Which of these is formed along with glucose during photosynthesis? Answer is oxygen. Number 2. Chlorophyll is present in plant cells in structures called. Answer is chloroplast. Number 3. Which of these helps to transport starch from the leaves to other parts of the plant? Answer is phloem. Number 4. Which of these plants have chlorophyll and can photosynthesize? Answer is mistletoe. Number 5. A lichen is an example of. Answer is symbiotic relationship. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. The exchange of gases in plants takes place through tiny pores in leaves called stomata. Dash are pipe-like structures that transport water and dissolved minerals from the roots to the leaves. Answer is xylem. Number 3. Dash solution is used to test the presence of starch in leaves. Answer is iodine. Number 4. The organisms from which the parasites derives nutrients is called the dash. Answer is host. Dash plants are usually non-green and have no leaves. Answer is saprophytic. Question number D. Name the following. Number 1. The process by which organisms take in nutrients to use for life processes. Answer is nutrition. Number 2. The bean-shaped cells that control the opening and closing of stomata. Answer is guard cells. Number 3. The type of organisms that derive its nutrition from living organisms. Answer is parasite. Number 4. The group of organisms that break down organic matter and release nutrients in the environment. Answer is saprophytic organism. Number 5. The bacterium found in the root nodules of the pea seed. Answer is Rhizobium. Question number E. Give an example for the following. Number 1. An autotroph that is not a plant. Answer is bacteria. Number 2. A plant that has hosteria. Answer is Coscuta. Number 3. A partial parasite. Answer is Mistletoe. Number 4. An organism that has tentacles. Answer is Sundew. Number 5. A symbiotic relationship. Answer is Lichen. Question number 5. Answer the following questions in one word or a sentence. Question number 1. What is autotrophic nutrition? Answer. The mode of nutrition seen in organisms in which they make their own food using simple substances from the surroundings is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. Question number 2. Which carbohydrate is formed by photosynthesis? Answer is glucose. Number 3. Where does the photosynthesis take place in cactus? Answer is in the fleshy stem. Number 4. Name a partial parasitic plant. Answer is Mistletoe. Number 5. Name the insectivorous plants in which leaves are modified into the pitcher-like structure. Answer is pitcher plant.